We start a new file to make the tiles, and the organizer will create litterers for the hatch and the tiles, and literals for the green areas, trees, etc. After preparing the file and ensuring that it is ready to start working on it, we create hatches for the zones to determine each tile, its type, and how to distribute it on the site using any type of hatches. After making the tiles initially for each zone, you choose the tiles according to the design, formation, and use, and adjust their angles, dimensions, and shape according to the design. After that, it appears to us that we do not have a variety of tiles that help bring out the best in the design, so you add groups of tiles. To add tiles, we copy groups of tiles one by one from the compressed file that will be included with the video and copy them to the following path. After that, we open the CAD file again and begin testing the tiles and seeing how they fit with each part of the design. We are preparing the pergola because we will need it soon in the furniture file. Thus, there is one part missing, which is a table in which the tiles are described in terms of length, width, thickness, color, method of pouring or preparation, and the method of final preparation of the tile. Sometimes we put the names of the suppliers and make an inventory of the surface of each tile in order to use this table when calculating the quantities and cost when supplying.